Hi everybody. I wanted to come on today and let you know about a special announcement. I noticed the other day that YouTube has offered channel memberships for my channel, so I have been working really hard to get everything ready so that I can get them turned on, and I wanted to let. So the only requirement for you to be able to become a channel member is to be a subscriber to my channel. So that's it. That's the easy part. So when I saw that YouTube was offering this to me, I decided to turn on memberships so that I can offer you guys more than I can in my usual videos. So I've had a lot of you tell me that you're learning a lot from my videos, or you're just getting started with mixed media and you need some extra help. So I think this is the way to do that. Memberships won't take away from my regular schedule of video upload. So if you aren't a member of my channel, if you don't join as a member, you'll continue to get everything you always have. But if you are a member, you'll get all my normal video uploads plus lots more. So if you look at my channel page, right next to the subscribe button, you'll see that a join button has been added. So if you're ready to become a channel member, or you just want to see more about channel memberships, just click the join button and you will see a screen where the different levels of membership are explained, and you can choose which level suits you best. So I just want to tell you briefly about each level and the perks that you get when you join at each level. So you'll notice that I named each available level with a term that describes some of the emotions that we feel when we're creating or appreciating art. So there's inspired, awakened, immersed, and impassioned. And I think the more and more involved we get with art, the longer we are in with art. So with the levels, each level up you go, you get the perks for that level plus all the perks from the levels below it. So for example, if you join at the highest level, you get the perks for that level plus all the perks from all the levels below that level. So that's a lot of perks. I tried to pack in as much as I thought I could keep up with every month and still keep your membership prices reasonable. And you'll notice as we go along here, a couple of the perks are quarterly perks, and all the rest, most of them, are monthly perks. So when you join, I think the way it works is you'll get the perks for the month in which you join, and then each month thereafter, for as long as you remain a member, you'll get the monthly or quarterly perks. And you can change your membership levels whenever you want. If you join at the high level and you decide that it's too much and you want to drop down a level, you can do that at any time. So let's talk about the different levels for just a few seconds here. So the first level, the lowest level, is called Inspired, and it is $1.99 a month. And every month you get a members only art tutorial video with instructions and a supply list and anything else that I can pack in there for you. And every quarter you get the chance to participate in a members only giveaway on my channel. If you join at level 2, which is Awakened, that is $4.99 a month. You get the perks from level 1, plus every month I will send you a PDF of a calendar that has my art at the top. It's a 300 DPI calendar that you can print and use, or you can download it and use it on your desktop. If you print them out on cardstock or watercolor paper or tracing paper, you can cut them up after the month is over and use it as fodder for your collage, because there's a piece of art at the top of every one. If you join at level 3, which is called Immersed, and that is $9.99 a month, you get all the perks from levels 1 and 2, plus every month you'll get a written art lesson via a PDF file, so that you can complete an exclusive art project from me. It's a project that won't be included in any other of my videos. It won't be anywhere except available just to you. And you'll also receive every month a digital download PDF of art parts and collage papers and other things that you can use in your personal work. And the final level is level 4, called Impassioned, and I spelled it wrong. Sorry about that. But at this level, it's $29.99 a month, and you get all the perks from levels 1, 2, and 3, plus every quarter you get an art box that I will mail to you by postal mail. And this is the postal mailing is just for you, my US members only, because of postage costs and duties and everything. That's all I can do. But these boxes will be filled with some original art prints, sheets of art parts, scans of vintage ephemera, other art supplies. The boxes will vary from month to month. And if you are a member but not in the United States at this level, you can still get everything that is available at this level that I can send you via PDF, and I will put extras in the PDFs for you to make up for the fact that you can't get the DIY part of the actual box. In other words, if I put supplies in the box, I can't send you art supplies in a PDF, so I will send you other things to make up for it. Also at this level, you will receive quarterly discounts that you can use at my Etsy shop and also at my website. Those will be coupons that will come in your box or in your PDFs. So those are the 4 levels that are available. And if you have any questions about any of the levels or membership in general, just leave me a comment and I'll get right back to you. By putting your questions in the comments here, other viewers can see it, and my answer to your question might be the same question they have, and so everybody kind of learns at the same time. If you prefer to email me with your questions, just let me know that in the comments and I'll get back with you. And if that isn't enough, there are 2 more just kind of fun things that you get as a member at any level. All levels get these. You get loyalty badges that will appear next to your name when you type in a comment on below a video or in chat if I do a live stream. And you also get custom emojis. Like these are the 4 that I have set up right now, and as I gain more members I can add more emojis. So we have coffee and Frida and a flying heart and a pair of scissors. And if you type in chat or in comments :Sally and the name of the emoji, that emoji will show up for you to use in your comments. And also you get membership badges. So when you first join, there will be a little badge next to your name that says new. And then at the 1 month, 2 month, 6, 12, and 24 month marks, if you're still a member, these are called loyalty badges. So those will show up next to your name and they'll change depending on the length of time that you've been a member. So because there will be videos that are uploaded only for members, there will, and the giveaways also, so there will be a lot of community posts that are designated as member only posts. So be sure to go to my community tab. That's where these posts will show up to tell you, hey, there's a new members only video, or there's going to be a giveaway, whatever it might be, that is designated for members only. And this is the place where I will communicate with you. So be sure to have notifications set to all so you know when I post at my community tab. And if you're not familiar with the tab, just look across the top of my channel page and you will see where it says community. Just click there and it will take you over to the community tab screen where you can read all the posts that I put in there. So that's it. That's all I can tell you about becoming a channel member. Um, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It'll give us a more meaningful way to connect with each other, and I can even share more with you. Plus, it helps me get back to really teaching what I love to do in a more detailed way. So thanks for watching. I sure hope you'll consider becoming a channel member. I really look forward to getting to know you better. And in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.